Hi, this is Kara at Swisher Acquisition here at 1602 Corporate Drive in Warrensburg, Missouri. Today Josiah is going to be showing you how to change your belt on an 11.5 horse rough cut pull behind mower.
Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. You only need a couple tools. You need a 1/2 inch to get all these self-tappers off, and then you need a wrench as well, 1/2 inch, and then just a small 2x4 piece of wood to hold up your motor base so you can get the belt off. So the first thing you want to do is take this cover off. Keep all your hardware together. Get that out of your way. And then you want to slide the belt off of the tensioner, which has already been done to save some time, but it just rides along right here, and you just pop it off of there, and then you can roll. And be careful not to squish your fingers, but you just want to roll this pulley off or over, and just go like that. And then now that you got that off, you want to remove these three bolts here. This is wrench. Now your motor base is loose, and this is where your block of wood comes into play. Don't touch your motor if it's been running. It's pretty hot. Don't want to burn yourself. Move that out of the way. And take a piece of wood. Get it, make sure it's not going to slide anywhere. Don't want it falling on you. And then there's a guide on the motor base that you need to loosen. There's two nuts, one here and one, can't really see it, but right here that you need to loosen. Then you just take the belt off of the pulley on the motor base and slide the belt out. There you go. Now it's off, and to reinstall, you just do everything backwards pretty much from what you did before. So now you've gotten this far, you've got the belt off, and now you're gonna have your new belt and you're gonna replace it. So, if your piece of wood's still up here, you're going to want to feed the belt underneath that pulley and into the guide, and let it kind of sit up there. And then you're going to want to put that guide back on. I usually take one nut off and just loosen the other side. You don't have to take both nuts off. does get tight. Okay, now make sure your belt's still on there. You don't want it slipping off. Now you're gonna want to set your motor base back down, and so block. Just kind of straddle it, and it should set on there. Be sure not to pinch your harness wires; those are important. So, and then just put all your nuts and bolts back in. You got that mounted. You want to slide your belt back on all your pulleys. And again, make sure that the belt is still on your engine pulley. Put it on the tensioner, and then just twist the belt back on there. Make sure it's on there again. Okay, so your belt's on there. I just want to throw this cover back on and you're good to keep going.
We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you today. If you need any parts or have any questions, just give us a call at 1-800-222-8183 or go to the website www.swisherinc.com.